In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a dataset in Kaggle notebook. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is you want to open up your notebook, and then over here you want to go to the notebook section on the right hand side, and you want to extend this part which is called input. When you do this, click on the upload button, and here it's going to say new dataset. Click on it, and then here you have a few options. You could either drag and drop in a file, which could be a zip file. You could go to link where you can basically put in a remote URL. You can import a GitHub repository, or you can import Google Cloud Storage. So that's completely up to you. And then of course you also have this notebook output over here, but most of the time you'll be spending here inside link where you can basically link it via a URL, or you could also go ahead and drop it in. So I'm just going to drop in over here a dataset I actually got from a Kaggle itself. So I'm going to drop it in, and then you have to give it a name. I'm just going to name it test over here, or let's just do tutorial. There we go. And then you want to, of course, select if you want it to be private or public, and then click on create over here, and it's going to basically start creating your data set over here. So that's how you do it. That's basically how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.